Previously on Lost in New Zealand.
Lost in New Zealand! Lost in New Zealand. Okay, got some water collected. Lake is absolutely peaceful. There you go. There you go. So that's why they ban the fire, because the wood is so easy to burn. Oh my god. It's around 4 p.m. The weather is windy and rainy from time to time. It switches. Now it blows again, and don't really want to do anything. It's just impossible to sleep under this noise. It completely wakes me up. It just continuously blows. It's no stop. The sky's still turning better. The sun's coming out. Really cheerful news, and you can explore the rock just behind the man-made lake, and the water is so clean. Oh man, see the views. Oh god, enjoy the views. Look at the rock. It's literally broken up, cracking up. Jump rock from the rocks. Those rocks probably be, I don't know, probably a few millions years of old. Now standing on it. For him, for those rocks, I'm just a tiny little fraction of seconds of life. Okay, this will be the safe distance. They are quite big. Okay, one done. Let's go. Shut up! It's getting too ridiculous. It's like it's nearly blow over my trike. It's like it's already getting dangerous and ridiculous. Have to do something to stop this. I can't stop this, but I have to do something to stop my tent being blown over. So the string that holds my tent is anchored on my trike, and it's pretty firm. It can take a lot of force, and other than that, I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. I can only hope the best. It seems like there's a storm coming, but 天哪！ So what I'm doing on this, it's getting colder. This miserable tornado condition. Just doing the same thing. You can actually notice that I'm shifting the wheel to the left. By doing this, you can widen your wheel for probably a rim wide, probably 3 centimeters, probably 1 inch. So give you a comparison. The left one is stock wheel, which is untuned, which is in the center of the hub, and this one tuned is offset. So I'm gonna do this one as well. Radiations, and I don't want to be killed by the microwaves. Coming next on Lost in New Zealand. Yeah, thanks.
Okay.